Awning window installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. In Covington, awning window replacement services are in high demand due to their energy-efficient properties and stylish design. Custom awning windows. Covington offers tailored solutions to meet specific architectural needs, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Covington Residential Window Services specialize in providing energy-efficient windows. Covington, which help in maintaining optimal indoor temperatures. Homeowners who choose awning windows Covington also enjoy added ventilation benefits while saving on energy bills. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Covington Window Frame Installation Services offer expert solutions to replace damaged or outdated frames, ensuring long-lasting durability and improved aesthetics. Pairing new frames with awning windows, Covington creates a stylish, functional, and energy-efficient upgrade for any property. Custom window solutions are ideal for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their property. Covington Window Design Consultation Services provide personalized guidance to create custom window solutions that reflect individual style and preferences. Many homeowners opt for awning windows Covington during consultations because they seamlessly integrate into a variety of home designs. Window glass installation is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Window glass replacement. Covington offers expert installation and replacement services to address issues such as cracks, chips, and fogging. Installing new glass in awning windows. Covington ensures both a crystal clear view and superior energy performance. Home window upgrades are a smart investment for enhancing the value and comfort of your property. Home window upgrades. Covington provide a range of options, from energy-efficient windows to stylish designs, ensuring that your home remains modern and functional. Choosing awning windows. Covington, as part of your upgrades, adds both curb appeal and lasting durability. Window seal replacement is necessary for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Covington Window Seal Services specialize in replacing worn or damaged seals, ensuring a tight fit and optimal insulation. Properly sealed awning windows. Covington keep your home comfortable and protected against the elements year-round. Double-pane windows are a popular choice for their superior insulation properties. Double-pane windows. Covington offer enhanced energy efficiency and noise reduction, making them an ideal choice for homeowners seeking to improve their home's performance. When combined with awning windows Covington, they provide exceptional insulation and stylish functionality. Window hardware installation is essential for ensuring the smooth operation of your windows. Covington Window Hardware Installation Services provide expert solutions to fix issues such as broken locks, hinges, and handles. High-quality hardware ensures awning windows. Covington open and close smoothly for maximum ease of use. Window screen installation is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Covington Window Screen Installation Services offer a range of screen options to suit different window styles and preferences. Custom-fit screens for awning windows. Covington allow you to enjoy ventilation without compromising on comfort. For top-notch awning window installation and replacement in Covington, trust our expert team to deliver exceptional results. Our Covington Residential Window Services include custom awning windows. Covington, ensuring your home benefits from energy-efficient windows and superior window frame replacement. With our window glass installation and home window upgrades, your Covington property will enjoy enhanced aesthetics and functionality. Energy-efficient windows. Covington are a must for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our Covington window insulation experts provide window weatherproofing Covington and window seal replacement to maximize your window energy savings. Many residents also choose awning windows Covington for their ability to improve ventilation while maintaining insulation. Custom window solutions are our specialty, offering a wide range of window style options and window design consultation services. Our Covington window style options cater to every taste, ensuring your home reflects your personal style. With awning windows Covington as a popular choice, we guarantee a perfect fit for both style and performance. Window maintenance services are essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our Covington window maintenance team provides window hardware installation, window screen installation, and window cleaning services to keep your windows in top condition. Regular maintenance of awning windows. Covington ensures they remain attractive, durable, and energy efficient. For those in need of window frame installation, our Covington window frame installation services are second to none. We offer window trim replacement and window sash replacement to restore your windows to their original beauty. Installing fresh frames around awning windows. Covington guarantees both strength and visual appeal. Vinyl window replacement is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl window services Covington provide high-quality options that enhance your home's curb appeal. Pairing vinyl solutions with awning windows, Covington gives homeowners a stylish, long-lasting upgrade. Window glass replacement Covington is essential for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Our Covington window glass replacement services ensure your windows are free from cracks and damage. Replacing glass in awning windows, Covington restores their clarity while maximizing energy savings. Window security Covington is a priority for homeowners looking to protect their property. Our window security features provide peace of mind, ensuring your home is safe and secure. Adding locks and reinforcements to awning windows, Covington enhances security while maintaining functionality. For comprehensive window services, our Covington Window Design Consultation and Window Measurement Covington services ensure your windows are tailored to your needs. Our window installation warranty provides assurance that your windows are installed to the highest standards. Trust our team to deliver the best results with awning windows Covington for any home.